Hello friend, welcome to my channel Techie Dialogue. Do you know Windows has been secretly creating junk files on your PC since day one? There are 3 hidden folders, thousands of useless files, and Windows never tells you they exist. In this video, we will show you how to find all these three and wipe them clean in under 2 minutes. No paid tools is required, no download is required, no internet. Before I starting, let's look at what's the actually happening under the hood. Every time when you open an app, Windows automatically create a small tracking file. It's called a prefetch file and drops it into a hidden folder which is called prefetch. Windows never remove these files. And separately, every installer you run, every update, every software process, Windows creates temporary scratch files and dumps them into 2 different temps folders. Those files are supposed to auto-delete when the job is done, but most of them don't. We are cleaning all these three right now, so don't waste time, go for action. Step 1, Prefetch folder. Press Windows plus R key at the same time. A small run box will appear. Type Prefetch and hit enter. After hitting enter, Prefetch folder will be open. Then press Ctrl plus A to select all and then press Shift delete. A confirmation box will appear and press yes. Now you see your Prefetch folder is empty. Remember, Shift plus del skips the recycle bin entirely. Our step 1 is done. Step 2, user temp folder. Now again press Windows plus R. In the box, now you have to type %temp % and press enter. Now we are in user temp folders. Same process, you have to press Ctrl plus A, select all and then Shift delete to delete all the files and folders. Here some folder you cannot delete due to Windows lock this, so you have to skip this. Our second step is also done, so let's go step 3, system temp folder. You have to again press Windows plus R to open runbox. Then you have to type now %windir %temp and press enter. A permission prompt will appear and you have to press continue. Here you can see your temp files. To clean this same rule, press Ctrl plus A to select all and press Shift delete. Some folder you cannot delete, so you need to skip them. I'm going to skip now this. So that's it. Your prefetch and temps folder are empty. All dumps are clear. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Techie Dialogue. That's all for today. Thank you, take care and goodbye.